Are you looking for the best eucalyptus sheets? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best eucalyptus sheets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. They come in various vibrant, and more muted, colorways, and the saturation of the sheets does not fade after numerous rounds of washing. The cool to the touch material is very effective at helping regulate body temperature, which, in tandem with the satiny texture, makes sleeping on them feel all the more comfortable and luxurious. Although we notice slight shrinkage upon the first wash, the material laundered perfectly afterward. We've laundered these sheets on their own or with other items like towels, and it hasn't affected the texture or size. Material: Tencel lyocell. Available sizes: Twin, Twin XL, Full, Queen, King, California King. Pocket depth: 16 inches. Certifications: OEKO Tex Standard 1002, FSC 3, allergy and asthma friendly certified. Number 2. Best value. The Linen Wallace Tencel lyocell bed sheets are especially cooling, keeping true to their promise of being breathable and moisture wicking. We've noticed no changes in the material's feel over 6 months of use and after dozens of wash cycles. Although we noticed a few loose threads upon arrival, the overall quality is impressive given the set's low price. The looks, satiny texture does not become overly slick with washing, ensuring a soft cocoon as you snuggle into bed each night. The drape of these sheets stands out, too. Even with a king-size bed, we easily washed them in a standard laundry machine with several other items, as they get quite compact. Material: Tencel lyocell. Available sizes: Full, Queen, King, California King, Split King. Pocket depth: 16 inches. Certifications: not listed. Number 3. Best flannel. The sheets were tested with a cat, a partner, and a 6-month-old baby, and we saw no slippage or tearing throughout testing. This makes them great for restless sleepers who toss and turn. We also love that the set was resistant to stains and spills, including baby spit up. With a quick laundry cycle, the spots disappeared and didn't require any extra treatment. The thicker fabric isn't as temperature regulating as other varieties of eucalyptus sheets, which may not be optimal for hot sleepers. The material did pill slightly after 4 months of use, too. However, if you prefer heavier sheets that still have a light feel, these sheets do the trick. We loved that they were more durable than other flannel varieties we've tried and that they maintained their softness over time. Material: 60% eucalyptus lyocell, 40% organic cotton. Available sizes: Full, California King. Pocket depth: 20 inches. Certifications: not listed.